Hello, welcome to the All Top Things. We are here to know about top 10 dogs in the world. Well, here is the list of top 10 most dangerous dogs in the world. Let's get started. Number 10. Siberian Husky. Huskies were a traditional breeds of domesticated dogs used as sled dogs in the northern regions. This breed is very athletic and strong enough to move heavy luggage with thick coats. Huskies have a unique color fur pattern and an impressive face mask with striking blue eyes. Most of the Huskies love people and are friendly social creatures. Husky owners will describe their dogs as humble, intelligent, alert, and gentle. However, Huskies are always fired up and hyperactive, which results in aggressive dog behavior that can certainly come out in some way or another. Number 9. Boxer. Boxers are hunting dogs because, for ages, we human beings have used them as attacking dogs during our hunts. They've got a strong jaw and dog bite force perfect for protecting. Most boxers are dominant dogs and show aggression against other male dogs. They are sometimes aggressive to humans as well. Like Huskies, most boxers' attacks involve children as they don't know how to act around them. If owners cannot handle this breed properly, situations can become dangerous and even fatal. Number 8. Akita. Akita is a large and strong breed of dogs with a noble yet bullying presence. They were initially used in feudal Japan to protect kingship and nobility. This breed was also trained to hunt wild boars, black bears, and sometimes deer. An Akita doesn't stand back or get scared easily from threats. Therefore, they are courageous and faithful stewards of their families, but only if properly socialized and trained. They are caring, friendly, and fun dogs. If an Akita dog is in an anxious state, it is likely prone to attack if agitated. This breed needs positive socialization and consistent, regular training or may respond with rage attacks if we abuse them. If an Akita dog is in an anxious state, it is likely prone to attack if agitated. This breed needs positive socialization and consistent, regular training or may respond with rage attacks if we abuse them. Number 7. Alaskan Malamute. An Alaskan Malamute looks like the Siberian or Alaskan Husky but is a much larger breed. Generally, they're not aggressive dogs, as many owners tell you. Malamutes are good with people, including children. Mushers used these big dogs for freight transportation in snowy regions. A Malamute maintains a strong prey drive to hunt down and capture prey from their ancestors. Since 2005, Malamutes have attacked at least 3 people in the United States. 2 of those killed were children. According to the Canadian Veterinary Medical Association, 4 people in Canada died following dog attacks by sled dogs between 1990 and 2007. The number of deaths involving Malamute is unknown. Number 6. Mastiff. Bull Mastiffs are smart, energetic, and athletic dogs. Such dogs are highly sensitive to security and are reliable for dependability. These dogs become incredibly reliable and obedient with consistent training from an early age. However, the Mastiff can be the most attacking dog breeds for various reasons, just like with all dogs. We must train Mastiffs early for socialization. With proper training, dogs learn to distinguish the behavior of friendly people from bad guys, as they can be a suspect threat to everyone outside the family without socialization. Number 5. Wolf Hybrid. It's not a good idea to own a grey pet wolf, even worse is owning a wolf dog, as you may predict a regular wolf's behavior but cannot comprehend what a wolf dog might do. Wolves are one of the most deadly and biggest carnivores overall, let alone canines. Some breeders report that the hybrids are shy around people. In contrast, others say that these hybrid dogs usually have the wolf's hunting instincts, pointing that hybrids could be the world's deadliest dog breed. Between 1982 and 2014, wolf hybrids seem to have caused 19 casualties. Number 4. Doberman Pinschers. The Doberman Pinscher is a fearless dog often used in special forces, like the police. Dobermans are on average 28 inches tall and can weigh up to 100 pounds over other dogs. Because they have so much energy, owners should properly train them as soon as possible. The biggest concern about raising a large dog breed is the ability to perform proper training in obedience. Of course, they are smart dog breeds, but their dominating nature and weight also make it somewhat challenging to learn. Many Doberman owners will describe their pets as loyal, disciplined, energetic, alert, and brave. Number 3. German Shepherd. A German Shepherd is a breed that originated back in the 1800s in Germany as cattle dogs. They are also known as Alsatians, and in the United States, the German Shepherd is the second most popular dog breed. No socialization and training can make these dogs likely to attack people and smaller dogs. They are integral in necessary aspects of any police force unit all around the world. Most people sometimes call them police dogs for their considerable use in forces. But since they are so credible for fighting crime, they can become dangerous if placed in a difficult situation. The typical German Shepherd who belongs to the family believes that he has one task: to protect the family. Number 2. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are America's most dangerous dog breeds, also known as a lousy family dog, particularly for households where the owner is an amateur without a calm and confident personality. To avoid dangerous reactions, you need to be disciplined and alert continually. Rottweilers were bred to have exceptional strength and good herding dogs, and protective instincts. Rottweilers rank second in the United States by the number of dog attacks. If you are considering buying one, pay a premium for time and training for a Rottweiler puppy. Though, in reward, you get one of the world's fiercest dogs that will guard you. Number 1. Pit Bull. According to statistics, the Pit Bull is clearly the most dangerous dog breed in the world. Even by owners or family, they are considered unpredictable and vicious. State and local governments around the world are strict in restricting this dog's ownership by breed-specific legislation. Originally bred as fighting dogs, a common pit bull possess extreme aggression, strength, and determination for an attack. Pit bulls are commonly involved in fatal attacks against adults 21 to 54 years of age. Pit bull are fighting dogs and will strive with the determination to do their job until it is over. They have powerful jaws with a strong bite force and are well known for not releasing their bite. That's it, people. This was the list of top 10 dogs all around the world. Which one do you like? Let us know it in the comment section.